What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Pro Vibe Garage. Once again, I am Jamie. That's Mara. But again, nothing going to be done on Mara today. Today I'm going to be starting a project that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I have got my metal cut. I'm about to cut off the plate that my anvil is going to sit on. And today we're going to finally going to make my anvil stand. So stick with me and let's get into it. When making an anvil stand, the first thing you want to do is figure out the height of the top of your anvil. Then calculate the height of your anvil, the thickness of your metal, the length of the legs and everything. You want them to be the top of the anvil. You want it to be about where your hand will sit when you are striking. And I'll show you that right now. So the easiest way to do this is to get a marker, find a wall that you don't mind to have a little mark on. I don't care about this. And then stand with it like this. When you come down with your hammer, that's about the height you want your anvil to sit at. So, right there. And I put that little mark right there. That is the comfortable height of my full length blow with a hammer. So that is going to be the height of my top of my anvil. So I've already done this part. I've had my neighbor cut my what's going to be my legs at a 12-degree angle, and I've sized them up already. I've already measured them. I've now had them cut. I am going to take my steel plate that I have mapped out my anvil size on, and I'm going to start cutting that now. Next, I'm going to score the sides, fold them up, and probably give them a shot on the welder just to make them more solid and be able to fold up around the feet of the anvil. All right, you see I scored that. It'll be a little easier to fold. Got rid of the corners because that's going to fold up on itself. And I'll weld those together. Next, big reason why I'm doing this now is because I am always using my anvil on the either garage floor or here in the driveway. I'm doing this work in the driveway to keep the man sparkles away from my 69 Charger. I don't need any welding sparks or grinding sparks to be marring up the paint. So yeah, out in the driveway, hammer this out, fold up the sides, and I'll be welding out here as well. So I can finally get a stand that's going to work properly. All right, next, I map out where my legs are gonna mount to the bottom of this. All right, easiest way to figure out the two back ones, 45 degree from the corner. And then in the front, I'll measure I already have, but the middle and then straight across. Now, I made sure to make them big so when I put this on, I can see both sides of the line. I will center that Again, on this side, center that. This removed. And then this one, I'm gonna move it in just a slight bit from the edge, center it, front and back. And that is where my legs will be mounted to. Okay, so it's now day 3. I just got the welder out, and now I am going to weld up the sides, strengthen up the pan, if you will, and weld the legs to the, I guess, the pan, the seat that the anvil will sit to. Okay, back at it another day. Now that I've got my legs welded on, I need some cross support partway down. So cut the metal, weld that on, support the legs so they don't split, I guess, but you'll see this here. Legs welded to the pan, the supports welded to the legs. Now it's time to flip it over and fill the legs with sand. Okay. Filled with sand, packed in a little bit. I'm going to cut the feet, get those welded on next. Legs are filled with sand, the feet are cut out. Now I will set it up and weld those feet on, sealing it all up. So my feet are welded on with my ungodly booger welds. They'll hold, but I've given it a shot of black primer and now some Tremclad gray, gloss gray, just to pretty it up and seal it up a bit. And then we're done. have it. One anvil stand. I'm still going to weld a couple of bolts on each side. And from there, I'll have a plate that goes across here with some nuts that'll hold the anvil to the stand. But for now, I'm done. There is my ugly booger welds. But they'll hold. They may be ugly, but they work. And hopefully you can all get the idea on how to do this. So if any of you are looking for ideas on how to build a proper sized anvil stand, I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have, give it a like, subscribe. Check out my other videos. You'll see a lot of videos building this 69 Charger. If you've been following me, I know you guys know that. Anybody new to this, you know, like I said, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.